Hi, this is Robbie from Bavarian Basher Team Munich, and this video is dedicated to Thomas from Sweden because we had the problem in the recent times that upper arms and lower arms from the Kraton were not available. They were sold out everywhere and we were not able to buy them. So I told him that I reinforced the front upper arms with aluminium. So this is really easy. You can take aluminium plates 1.5 millimeters and cut them in the size of these spares here with M3 screws and stop nuts. How do you say? Yes, I think it's right. And on the downside, you can use, I hope you can see it, an aluminium rail, also 1.5 or 2 millimeters, and cut it exactly the size that they will fit, and take the screws and the lock nuts and tighten them very well. So this holds up very well. It's stronger, much stronger than the original ones, and if you're afraid that the plastic ones here, because this is no EXP, in EXP it's aluminium, do not hold. I never had the experience, never had problems with that. So these were never broken again, and problem was solved. So they are twice as heavy as the original ones, but they do not break. So that's it. And for the rest, hot racing hubs for the front, yes, just in addition. Then second problem was the battery tray going its own way after a big jump I saw, and I thought I will show what I did for my V5. First of all, I pushed the battery tray to the back about 3 centimeters. You can use some holes which were from the original one and sign exactly the other parts or positions where you have to drill for 3 millimeter screws or for 4 millimeter for the bolts. And I pushed it 3 centimeter to the back because the V5, all the weight is in the front, and I wanted to have more weight at the back for the traction and also for the jumps, and therefore I moved it 3 centimeters to the back. So the backside of the lipo is ending more or less on the same level as the motor. So this is, for me, it's perfect. And for security reason, when should this battery tray rip out and go its own way, you have the problem that all the force is taken to the controller and to the cables, and I thought, what can I do? So I found this solution. I have these inline straps, two straps, and one is fixed in the front and the second one here, and in different to the original position, I have an additionally aluminium tube fixed with 4 millimeter screws and lock nuts, and this guarantees that the back strap for the lipo is fixed to the chassis. So if all this battery tray will rip out, it still remains fixed here. So it can only move here, but it cannot fly away and break the cables or something like that. This is really fixed and a good solution in my opinion. I just wanted to show. That's all for this. There are a lot of other modifications also for the wing mount. Yes, the springs for the shocks, hot racing diff case at the back, reinforced chassis with aluminium, custom-made aluminium bumper on the front. All these things make it really funny to drive it, and yeah, you don't have many issues, and it takes a lot of shocks, and yeah, it's quite beefy. So this is all for this time. Next time we will see what I can show. Bye bye.